said you'd stay, you made it sound true. Now all I've got are echoes of you. Your name still lingers on my skin, but you walked out and never looked in. And I stood there with your last goodbye. No reason, no tears, just a cold gray sky. You left me in the rain with nothing but the pain. Your footsteps fading slow, still the only sound I know. You left me with the blame, like love was just a game. I begged you to explain, but you just left in the rain. The pictures fade, the bed feels wide, but I still sleep on the lonely side. I talk to ghosts of better days, but silence always has the final say. And if you ever think of me, do you remember who we used to be? Ooh, you left me in the rain with nothing but the pain. Your footsteps fading slow, still the only sound I know. You left me with the blame, like love was just a game. I begged you to explain, but you just left in the rain. Maybe you were never mine to keep, just a dream I held too deep. But I'm still standing in the storm, learning how to feel alone, reborn. You left me in the rain, but I'm walking through the pain. You took the sun, you took the flame, but I'll rise without your name. You left me with the blame, but I won't wear your shame. I'm stronger in the rain since you left.